Hi, I'm Alice from LinITX. In this video, we're taking a look at the MikroTik Wireless Wire Cube Pro kit. This kit includes two pre-configured wireless units that create a powerful, high-speed 60 GHz point-to-point link. It's designed to deliver fibre-like performance without the fibre, perfect for connecting buildings, expanding networks, or bridging long distances with minimal latency. The Wireless Wire Cube Pro kit is built for reliability, performance and ease of use. Each unit uses MikroTik's advanced 60 GHz plus 5 GHz dual band technology, offering ultra-fast throughput of up to 1 gigabit per second, full duplex over 60 GHz channel, with automatic 5 GHz failover for uninterrupted connectivity, even in challenging weather conditions. With a pre-configured setup, these units come paired out of the box, so you can deploy them in minutes. Simply mount, align and power them up, and the link will establish automatically. The compact cube-shaped design not only looks clean and professional, but also includes a built-in antenna with beam-forming technology, ensuring a stable, focused connection over distances of up to 1.5 kilometers. Each Cube Pro unit is powered via gigabit PoE in and features a weather-resistant IP66 rated enclosure, making it suitable for both indoors and outdoors installations. The kit is fully managed through MikroTik's Router OS, giving you detailed control over performance, link monitoring and advanced routing, perfect for both home enthusiasts and professional installers. Now let's take a look at what you get inside the box. You'll find two pre-paired Cube Pro units, two PoE injectors, two mounting brackets with adjustment hardware, and a power supply for each injector. This is everything you need to get your wireless link up and running straight away. For installation details, you can check the full setup guide on MikroTik's official website. That's been our quick overview of the MikroTik Wireless Wire Cube Pro kit. If you've got any questions or if you'd like to learn more about MikroTik products, feel free to get in touch with the team at LinITX using the details on the screen.